Hi everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. And if you've been hearing about using lemon to either cleanse or protect your environment and you want to know how to do it, you landed on the right video. Today I'm going to give you some simple rituals on how you can use lemon to either cleanse your area, cleanse you, or protect your environment. But before we get started, if you're new to this channel and you've never heard of My World of Metaphysics before, this is the Law of Attraction metaphysical channel that gives manifesting techniques in all different ways. It doesn't matter if we're talking about protection, love, creating abundance, everything is right here all on one channel. So support me by liking, subscribing, tapping the bell, everyone, but most of all, just keep watching the videos. So if you want to know how to use lemon to cleanse your area, to protect your area, keep watching. I'm back, everyone. Now, what is it that I have to tell you today very quickly on how to cleanse your environment or cleanse yourself and at the same time protect yourself and your family using lemon? Do you know you can take lemon and you can circulate lemon around your body to help absorb any negative energy that you might have within you? Now listen, lemon is a natural absorber of negativity. So this is the big secret that you're going to learn today. Just by saying a prayer and asking God to remove negativity from you, to remove negative thinking, negative thoughts, you are basically cleansing yourself of negativity. Now listen, you can look this up yourself. This is something used in feng shui. If you go in certain places, you might see lemon in a bowl, and it might say, do not eat. Now listen, why do you think they have the lemon in the bowl telling you not to eat? It's because the lemon is removing the negativity from the room. Now listen, if you don't know these things, you're not going to pay attention to them. But people are placing lemon in a bowl, in their place of business, and it's because of feng shui, because of the properties of the lemon. Now again, you can actually circulate lemon around your body to help remove negativity. Now the next thing you can do with lemon is you can take lemon and place it in the four corners of your room and leave it there. So if you live in a room, it will be in the four corners, okay? If you live in a house, you're going to pick four corners and you're going to place lemon in the four corners. Whole lemon, everyone. By placing the four lemon in the corners of your house, you are protecting it from negativity, especially if you have a home where there's a lot of turmoil. Maybe there's a lot of fighting or arguing or disagreement in your house. You place the lemon in the four corners of your house to absorb that negativity. Maybe you're a person that likes to entertain and people are constantly coming in and out of your house. This is the time to place lemon in that room, in corners where no one would see it, okay? Now you're probably saying, well, Yvette, how long do I leave it there? You can leave it there as long as you want. Now what is going to happen is the lemon is going to start to turn beige. It's going to start to turn light beige and it's going to start to get hard. That is because the lemon is getting old and at the same time the lemon is absorbing negative energy. Now, here's a tip. When you start seeing mold, brown spots, things like that, that is not natural on your lemon, that is to tell you that you have an extreme amount of negativity floating around in your room. At that time, I would take either that one and dump it outside of your house, away from your house, or I would take another lemon and put it on the side of it. So this way, that lemon is getting the support it needs to absorb that negative energy. Now, you're probably saying, Yvette, what am I gonna do? Have lemon all over the place? Now listen, you can place lemon where people don't see it. For me, I would place one behind my sofa, downstairs in my room, near my bed, in another corner, maybe upstairs in my spare room, in the corner by the bookshelf, whatever you can do. I might place the other one in the corner by my front door, behind my front door. These are the things you can do so people don't see it. and it actually works. You are absorbing that negative energy. Now, what is the next thing that I would do with a lemon? Now, besides having the lemon in the four corners of your home, this is something you can do for you. And again, besides rolling lemon around your body to remove that negative energy from you, this is something that I advise if you feel like you are full of negative energy. And that is, you're going to get a plate, a lemon, and you're going to cut that lemon into four without basically cutting it all the way through. Okay? You're going to split that lemon open, just like this. And you're going to sprinkle sea salt on the lemon. So it looks like this. Now, what are you going to do with this? You're going to take this and you're going to place it underneath your bed where you sleep. This is something you can do. And while you're sleeping, it is absorbing the negative energy, not only from the room, but from you. If you have a mate, you push it in the middle of the bed, underneath the bed. So it's absorbing the negative energy from the two of you. Now, you're probably saying, why salt? If you watch this channel, you already should know. Sea salt is a natural absorber of negativity. It also removes whatever it is that it's near. Negativity is a protector. Along with the lemon, it does its job. So now you have two powerful natural sources absorbing the negative energy from you while you sleep. And this is one of the most powerful things you can do. Now you're probably saying, well, Yvette, how long do I leave it under there? You can leave it under there for 3 days. You can leave it under there for 7 days. Whatever it is you want, and then eventually take it and leave the home and get rid of it. You don't want to dump anything that you have been doing for a cleanse, for protection in your home. You want to keep it away from your home so that you're not keeping that negative energy around you. It is just that simple, everyone. Now, if you guys know me very well, you guys know I love to throw in some extra tips. Besides doing a lemon cleanse, or at the time of doing a lemon cleanse or a lemon protection ritual, I might, before this, go and sage my home. Why? Sage is another natural protector of the environment. I would go around and cleanse my home with sage, burning sage, walking around my home, saying a prayer. If you don't know how to sage your home, please go to my homepage and look at my videos on saging. You can put that in the description. You can use this type of sage, and again, you can use the incense. Now, another thing that I might do during this ritual, during this period of trying to release negativity from me, you can also burn a protection candle. This is Lailoken's Awens, and it's for protection. And this right here is a clearing candle from Lailoken's Awens. And again, you can go to the shop, put in Lailoken Awens, and just go there and all the products are there. These are little simple things that you can do to keep yourself clear and cleansed of any negativity. These are things that you can do to protect yourself from any negativity. Again, the lemon technique actually works. And this is something that I do every couple of months, maybe every 6 months, to help keep myself free of negativity. Okay, everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and I just gave you some powerful rituals you can do to keep your area cleansed, to keep you cleansed, and most of all, to keep you protected. If you like this video, don't forget, support this channel by liking, subscribing, tapping the bell, but most of all, keep watching the videos. If you want any of these products like sage or candles, you are welcome to look in the description. Everything is right there. Click on the link. It takes you to the store. Everything is there. And again, thank you and namaste.